Hey y'all, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have Maniology's A Box of Cheer. So you remember not that long ago we did a Halloween, the Box of Shadows, and it was like an advent calendar countdown. This is the same thing. We've got 12 days to count down in this box, and it is officially launching its pre-sale today. Now, the Box of Shadows was not that long ago. Obviously, you see I still have a Halloween manicure on, but it is launching early for pre-sale, and then all the details for the rest of the dates will be in the description box. So there's a link down there, there's a discount code down there. Go check all of that out. And this box is going to be way more limited than the Halloween box was. So if you want one of these, I suggest you get it right away. Now, just like the Box of Shadows, there are some limited items in here that are just exclusive to this box. So if you don't buy the box, you can't get those items, but some of the other items will be going on sale individually after the whole launch of the box is over and everything. So again, all those dates and everything will be in the description box. I'll put all those down there for you guys so you know what's going on. And so this is going to be spoiler alert. I'm going to do a full unboxing. So if you want to see everything that's in this box, keep watching. Okay, let's dig right in. I am so excited to see what's in this. Okay, so right off the bat, we've got an adorable little sticker. Holiday is gnoming. I love the gnomes for Christmas. They're so cute. I'm definitely going to hang that up. And then we have our countdown booklet. And this is going to give us a little information about what's in the box. So all of the days with little sayings. It tells you everything that's in there. Should we read them all and do like we did last time? And then in the back, of course, there's some cute manicures and how-tos and all of that. Let's read along with it this like we did last time. Okay, so day one, cute little candy cane. It says, first on the list, a Hawaiian wishing for snow. So the elves designed a plate to give her a show. That's adorable. All right, let's rip into this baby. See what we got. Oh my gosh. I love the paper and everything. It's all so cute. I love stuff like this. It's like you get a present every day for 12 days. Okay, so we've got all of our things here. Let's find day one. Oh, here it is. And the little sticker matches along with the booklet. Look how cute. So day one is a stamping plate, and it's a snowflake plate. And it's a beautiful snowflake plate. Let me turn my flash off. There we go. Snowflakes are a staple in my salon. Everybody gets snowflakes for Christmas and winter. I mean, literally everybody. I do snowflakes more often than I do anything. This is definitely a plate you're going to want to have. Okay, day two. Next up, a busy mom who wanted a moment to chill with a new stamped mani and a couple of Advil. That's adorable. All right, what is day two? Oh, it's the stamper. Now this one is exclusive to the box. I'm not sure. I have to look at my paper to see which all of the other ones that are exclusive to the box. I think usually you can buy the stamping plates and possibly the polishes, but there's like little extra goodies in here that are exclusive to the box. Let's see what cute design is on this stamper. Okay, so as always, you get a little scraper. Look at how cute this little scraper is. And then a stamper, and it's just a like red jelly stamper. It's a square ice cube one, and it's got the same stuff on it that the scraper does. Very cute. All right, let's check out day three. Okay, the third Mani Muse was sick of the cold, so the elves bottled up their aloha for a sweet island glow. Day three, where are you at? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Ooh, it's a tube of something. Let's see. Oh, I don't want to rip it, but I'm gonna have to. Oh, the tissue paper is so cute. Ooh, okay, so we have some lotion here. This is Hawaiian Botanical Lotion. Jasmine, yes. Let me smell this. Oh, that smells so good. Ooh, you guys, so good. Okay, day 4. Self-care is important, so the team took a break to snack on some holiday candies and cake. So number 4 is right here. Again, I love how the little sticker matches the book perfectly. It's so cute. This is a very well thought out little box. Okay, so day 4 is probably stamping polish. Yes. That's so pretty. That is a bright metallic orange. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. What is it called? What is it called? Candy cane. It's not really candy cane color, but it's a beautiful, gorgeous metallic orange. So pretty. Okay, day 5. 5th on the list was for Santa himself, who wished for a day to hang out with the elves. Okay, number 5 is a stamping plate. I can't wait to see this. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is so cute. So we've got a bunch of the little Gnome guys. Santa is my gnome boy, like my homeboy. That is so cute. Look at these images. They're so cute. And then I absolutely love stuff like this where you can like build your own. So you can have whichever hat you want with whichever beard. And this is so cool because it's got some layering to it, which I love, 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 love. So you can put like the texture into the hat, either one you want, and you can put the texture like on the beard. This plate is amazing. I'm going to use this a ton. I cannot wait to start doing Christmas manis with this. I hate that I have to wait because it's still October, but oh my gosh, it's going to be epic, you guys. I cannot wait. All right, number 6. Who could forget Santa's beautiful missus? Her gift wrapped up tightly with a million kisses. Oh, that's cute. All right, here's 6. Look at the little sticker. So cute. Wonder what this is. Island Passion Tropical Lip Balm. Well, that's cool. Oh my gosh. And it's got all the ingredients right there. Make sure you're not allergic to anything. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, it smells so good. Of course, I'm going to use some. Oh my gosh. That is nice. I like that a lot. How cool. I like that there's some cosmetic type things in here as well, like the lotion and the lip balm, along with the nail stuff too. It's really cool. And I spy some cuticle oil over here, so let's keep going. Day 7. The 7th babe sadly broke a nail at the gym. No. But rocked her short mani with some polish and a trim. That is so cute. Okay, number 7. Where is 7? Here we go. Okay, number 7. What could it be? Okay, I was wondering if it was clippers or something. So we have some Maniology clippers. Very nice. This is a decent size. Like, they're not super tiny, but it's small enough you can pop it in your purse. Very cool. All right. That was day 7. All right, day 8. Look how cute. Next on the list was someone quite mean who lived by himself and only stamped with green. Let's see what this is. Oh, I wonder if it's a green stamping polish, you guys. It's definitely stamping polish. Is it green? Is it green? Oh my God. That is so pretty. You guys, look at that green. This is beautiful Grinch manicures right here. Grinch green. Oh my gosh, you guys. And the shimmer in that is so beautiful. This would look absolutely stunning just painted on your nails. If you're not a gel girl and you like to use polish, here you go. Perfect for toes. I use stamping polish on toes all of the time because it dries so quickly. It's perfect for pedicures. My clients are gonna love that. Woo, you guys, I'm so excited. This is a fun box. Okay, number 9. The 9th nail artist had been feeling uninspired and longed for a shiny new mani to admire. Okay, where's day 9? Is this 9? Yep. Day 9. Okay, we've got some wedges in here, or some makeup sponges. eyeshadow applicators, whatever you want to call them. Let's see what's in here. Something shiny. Oh, okay. Is it eyeshadow or is it chromes? Long for a shiny new mani to admire. I'm guessing either. So maybe some pressed pigment powders here. Ooh, well, that's beautiful. So nails and makeup, maybe. Very cool. Okay, number 10. Number 10 was a blogger with beautiful hands. He took great care of his nails, which inspired his fans. And number 10 is cuticle oil, essential cuticle and nail oil. And oh, it says it's peppermint, you guys. Yes, peppermint cuticle oil. Maniology cuticle oil is really nice, you guys. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, I love peppermint. This one is going in my special little private stash for me. Mainly because it's got the brush in the bottle and it's not a dropper. So I will be using that all of the time. Always oil your nails, ladies and gents, always. Okay, number 11. The 11th holiday order included a strange request. A year-old fruitcake sent to her boss's address. Okay, number 11. Oh, is this another polish? Oh no, it seems a little bigger. Let's see what it is. No? What is that? Oh, cool. You guys, look at that. So not a stamping polish. This is just regular nail polish. So very cool. Look, it looks like fruitcake. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cool. I'm gonna have to crack this one open. Oh, wow. Very cool. That is the neatest looking polish I probably own. I hope somebody lets me put that on their toes. Very cool. All right, number 12, the last one. The final mani order was for someone young at heart, with a love for the holidays and creative nail art. And it's a stamping plate. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at how precious. I love this. Perfect little wrapping paper type image. We've got like a build your own bow with the stripe and then different bows you can put on it. Love that. This is so pretty. This is the image on the stamper and scraper. It's gorgeous. Love that. Look at the train. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is a really nice image. I know I have a lot of girls who like this kind of image as well. Adorable. And there's Santa with some presents. Look at how cute. I know I'm gonna get so much use out of all of this stuff this year. Oh my gosh. What an incredible box. Okay, what's this last thing say here? At last, all the orders were packed away, not a moment to spare before Christmas Day. The reindeer lined up, nail goodies in tow, as Santa waved goodbye with a aloha ho ho. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. And then again, some how-tos on how to do some cool manis from the stuff in this box. Very cool. I love it. Oh, in the back you've got a little like index. It tells you what is in what day. That's also very cool. And yeah, that's that. So you guys, seriously, pick this box up. Use the discount code. Don't wait. You're going to be disappointed if you don't get one because there are a lot of good stuff in this box. I'm pretty sure this is an exclusive. I think the lotion was an exclusive. Maybe the lip balm is also an exclusive. So you're not going to be able to buy these items individually if you don't get the box. So if you like everything that's in here, definitely go get the box. Don't wait. So pre-order starts today. And yeah. Any other information that I have, I will put in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Maniology, for sending me this box to unbox for everyone. What an exciting little Christmas box. I know a lot of my clients get excited ahead of time for Christmas. and can't wait. So they're going to be excited to see all the little goodies that were in here and want to start using them way sooner than they should. Let me know in the comments if you're an early Christmas person and you like to put your tree up like really early in November, or if you have to wait until closer to Christmas. So I'm a person who wants to wait. I want to wait until at least December to get my Christmas decorations out. But my clients get very excited for Christmas, and I do Christmas manis all month long. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Leave any questions, comments, concerns down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.